Hello, my name is Ignacio and I am going to tell you about the rainforest layer. Tropical rainforests have layers. The top layer is the emergent layer. The tops of the tallest trees are in this layer. It's very windy. Eagles and bats live here. Emergent layer. The next layer is the canopy. The big branches and leaves of the tall trees, the branches and leaves of the tall trees are here. There are many types of animals in this layer because there's light and lots of food. Monkeys and toucans live in the canopy layer. The next layer is the story layer. The tops of the small trees are in this layer. It is dark and hot. Jaguars and tree frog live here. The bottom layer is the forest floor. The roots of the trees are in this layer. Many insects live on the forest floor. Some big animals like anteaters. Some big animals like anteaters live here too. They eat the insect, the roots, anteater. The kapok tree is one of the tallest rainforest trees. It can grow up to 70 meters tall. Okay, this is Hal. See you next time.